How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on new phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on your new phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Authenticator. Alright, so after you open the Authenticator app, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the plus icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to go to the option personal account, and from there you can easily add your personal account using QR code and sign in with Microsoft. So from here you can do any method, and if you are facing the problem like you can't log in with your personal account on your new phone, you'll have to just back to your previous phone, and from there you'll have to just check by clicking on this personal account, and from there you'll have to just add your same account, and from there you'll be able to fix that problem. Like from there you can easily give the access of that personal account to the new phone. So from there you can give access, or if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here and you have to open the app store. And now from the app store, in the search field you have to type for Microsoft Authenticator. So from here tap on it, and now from this interface make sure that you have the updated version of Authenticator on your device. So from here you'll have to update the latest version of Authenticator on your device. So after doing this procedure, you'll be able to fix that problem. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.